The National Weather Service has issued a flash flood warning for northeastern Chickasaw County in northeastern Mississippi, Itawamba County in northeastern Mississippi, Lee County in northeastern Mississippi, Monroe County in northeastern Mississippi, eastern Pontotoc County in northeastern Mississippi, southern Prentiss County in northeastern Mississippi, central Union County in northeastern Mississippi, until 8:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. It's 5:23 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 3 inches of rain have fallen.
That storm I was talking about. Oh no.
Amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area.
Oh yeah, I forgot to say.
Flash flooding is on
There's severe storms is beelining right towards my county.
By thunderstorms.
Source. I'm kind of concerned about that.
Impact. Flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Tupelo, New Albany, Amory, Aberdeen, Fulton, Baldwin, Verona, Okolona, Tom Bigby State Park, Trey State Park, Saltillo, Guntown, Cheyenne, Plantersville, Nantucket, Smithville, Ecru, Tremont, Evergreen, and New Wren. Turn around. Do not drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. A severe thunderstorm in St. Clair.
I literally just missed it. You gotta be kidding me. That was a severe thunderstorm warning. I missed it.
The current
I
time
tried posting something.
7 p.m. Central Daylight Time. The National Weather Service in Birmingham has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Talladega County, northeastern Shelby County, south central St. Clair County, until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time. It's 6:05 p.m. Central Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm was located over Alpine, or 8 miles west of Talladega, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, golf ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Talladega, Sylacauga, Childersburg, Vincent, Harpersville, Waldo, Bonaire, Alpine Bay Resort, Winterboro, Alpine, Sycamore, Coosa Island, Logan Martin Dam, Logan Martin Lake, Country Club Estates, Overbrook, Starrett, Chandler Springs, Ironton, and Mignon. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Alabama, Shelby, and St. Clair. The current time is 08 p.m. Central Daylight Time. The National Weather Service in Birmingham has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Talladega County, northeastern.
Alright then.